So, give it your best shot. You are being watched always. Again, a real life story with me happened. So when I went for my masters, my decision on pursuing further education was a little late. And normally all of you would, so after my engineering, after my chemical engineering, I actually got a campus job at Zalda Chemicals. I worked there for 2 years and then I pursued my masters. So I couldn't make it for the fall semester. I had to take the spring. So that's the time when you don't get much of funding, so you need to be on your own. And that's how I started when I went to Penn State. And it's difficult because during the fall semester all the scholarships are taken up, the assistantships are taken up. So it's difficult in spring to get those. And I ended up getting a job at the physics department. So my course was in industrial engineering, and then I got my first assignment at the physics department as a lab instructor. Physics was always my favorite, so I was more than happy to take up that assignment. And I actually went beyond my the assigned responsibility. So it was just a lab instructor, but I would kind of help the students with their assignments, explain them things which they didn't understand. And I actually started to enjoy that a lot. And it was the last day of the semester. And when you are with the students, you tend to develop a bond. And you agree? Yes. So it was the last day, and we said, okay, let's have some celebration after the lab. And I just kind of took some cookies, soda, chips for them. And after the class, we took photographs and had a small party there. The course was over, the semester was over, and I was there during summer because I still had to find an assistantship for my next semester, something which would pay for my tuition. The physics didn't pay for my tuition that way. And as I was walking on the campus, somebody just gave me a shout, and I looked back, and this guy was like the head of the physics department, the undergraduate course. He said, Jayesh, just stop by, I need to talk to you. And he said, I heard something about your class last week. And I was like, what does this guy know about my class? Was it something wrong that I did, right? Put some cookies and chips to the class? And he said, no, you seem to be quite popular amongst the students here. So I have a job to offer you. Okay. And we are starting a new online assessment system for the students for their assignments. And it's the first time that the university is doing it. So the physics department is doing it on an experimental basis. And because you've connected so well with the kids, they know you. So I would want to assign you the responsibility. And this will pay for your tuition. And this will pay for your job, for your stipend. And we're taken care of. So I was the first in the physics department who actually didn't belong to the physics department, but belonged to some other department who actually got a funding from the physics department. So you never know what comes your way. Always give it your best shot. That said, once that assignment started, I had a course in the industrial engineering. Another professor, he saw my work and he said, Jayesh, why don't you in the next semester join me for my research and you can take that as your thesis topic. So you do good work, you will be noticed, people are watching you. So whenever you have an opportunity, always give it your best shot.